Hello, my name is Carol Bible. Today I am going to talk to you about what the dialect is and the example of it. What's in dialect? This word does reference to the possible difference of a language. The same dialect is used to refer to geographical variant of two languages associated with two certain area. As an example, we have the Paisa dialect is spoken by people from the territory of the department of Antioquia. This accent is unique in Spanish America. It's highlighted by the voice words is used sugar with UD hats and ascending intonation with the lengthening of a nasal vowel in it at the end. Some typical phrases of the Paisan dialect at Ave Maria, Well, What's to Shimba, Parts, Omen, Others. Thank you.